In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable developer options on Android device Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, much like in other Android devices, Samsung smartphones will not have developer options enabled by default. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the sequence that you need to do in order to enable them. To do this, go into the settings and then go into About Phone. Usually it is going to be all the way down at the bottom, or use the search function if you cannot find it after scrolling down. So open the settings and then go into About Phone. Inside of About Phone, go into Software Information. So you will see a bunch of details about the phone, like your phone number, and then if you scroll down, you will find Software Information. Finally, you will see a bunch of versions, a bunch of builds, and what you are looking for here is the build number. All that you have to do is tap on this option repeatedly. So tap on this over and over and over again. You will see pop-ups like this one. So in this screenshot, it tells me that developer mode has already been turned on. But of course, if you don't have developer mode enabled, then it is going to tell you the progress. Every time that you tap, it is going to lower it down by 1. So for example, you will become a developer if you tap this 7 more times, 6 more times, 5 more times, and so on. So just keep tapping until you see this developer mode has been turned on, or you see the message telling you that you have become a developer. Once this is done, you are good to go. You can now back out of this menu, and if you look under About Phone, as you saw right here, you will then have developer options enabled. Make sure that they are enabled here at the top first, and now you can change them. So you can change stuff like USB debugging, you can see the amount of memory being used, you can change DPI, and various other settings that are hidden beneath this menu. So just tap on build number repeatedly. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.